Just want to make a quick video. I have a 2018 Honda Accord 2.0 turbo. It's modified. I have the Borla exhaust, PRL catted downpipe and front pipe, stage 2 intake from PRL, and a few other goodies. But this video is just to show you guys how to make more crackles or give your car more pops. If you have a K-tuner and mods, you could. So try to listen. Here, I'll give you some sounds really quick. Hey, what's up everybody? I'm just going to make a quick video, show you guys how to get more burbles and pops on your 10th gen Accord, whether it's 2018 through 2020, 1.5 and 2.0, but mine is a 2.0. So really quick, of course, you need to have mods in your exhaust. I have a Borla exhaust and a PRL catted down pipe and a PRL front pipe and a stage 2 high volume intake from PRL as well. So with this K-tuner, really quick, what you need to do is, once you plug it in, it's plugged in to the USB right here, and if you already done this, if you have a K-tuner, then you know where to go and what to do. So for example, okay, here I'm gonna do a new tune. Okay, just gonna ask you your bass, right there, 2.0. okay, click on that, click on next, just wait, and it's going to open up a new layout, a new base map. Okay, there it goes. So it's going to give you different factory base calibrations. Of course, stage 2 dual 2, because I want everything to have boost and improve launching, throttle response, all that good stuff. So of course I'm going to put this one on. Boom, next. Are you sure you want to close current open tune without saving? Yes, because I was working on a different one earlier, but I just decided to make a quick video. So there we go. Boom. There. All right. So here's your base map, your layout. So this is what I'm gonna do, okay? I'm gonna go to main parameters. I'm not gonna mess with the 2 steps or anything, and because I'm gonna go to disable monitors, and because I have a catted down pipe, this is the code that shows up on the K-tuner if I don't disable it, and that's for the catted down pipe. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do right there for that. Don't need to mess with any of this other stuff. I do have a video for a basic 2-step. I'll make another video for that, so that's gonna come if you want to do a little 2-step for your car. It's pretty cool. Anyways, so that's it. Just change that out. Oh no, wait, you want to go to main, no, You want to go to quick adjustments. There you go. Go to quick adjustments. Factory throttle response to 2 or all the way. Turbo response. Don't want to mess up my turbo, so I'll just put 3 because I do have a stock turbo. Later on, when I drop in the P600, I will get improve the turbo response to 4. Dang. So I'll just do 3 for now. Advanced VSA. This plants the car so you won't get a quick burnout. So we'll do that. Aggressive ignition pullback. Yeah, why not? Factory ramp. We'll do aggressive ramp 1. Boost target ramp rate. Factory ramp, improve 1, improve 2, aggressive ramp 1. Yeah, okay. Since I don't know what this does too much, instead of going to 2, I'm gonna go to 1. Quick enables. See, okay, the event. Okay, we want early spool and advanced VSA. Got to click on that because that's what I did when I did a quick adjustment. See, it advanced VSA. So in order for this to work, you have to enable it, which is right here. Okay, so now I'll go back to my layout. And okay, so this is where you're gonna change it up to make the burbles and pops and stuff. So all right, here, okay, ignition base. You gotta make sure it's on ignition base. Okay, click out of that. Ignition base, okay. Okay, just making sure. All right, so now you're gonna go to 2000. You're gonna highlight these 2 rows and you're gonna highlight them all. And you're gonna go up here. You're gonna see adjust selected. And you're gonna, for here, you're gonna put, I have negative 15 is what you guys saw in the video of how much you want your car to make burbles and pops and stuff. You could do negative 10 to get less. You could do negative 20 to get more. But negative 15 I think is cool. Still might be a little too much, but I like it. You can do negative 10, that'll be cool. But you just go to there and then you click OK. Alright, and it changed all these to negative 15s. Alright, so now, see that was on L, now you're going to click on H, and you're going to do the same thing here. You're going to click on that, and go all the way down. Make sure it's all the way down. Up. Do that again. I'm trying to use one hand, 2 fingers. Alright, there. So you're going to do that. And then again, you're going to go to these little pointing up and down arrow says adjust selected. Click on that again. Same thing. Negative 15. Then you're going to press OK. Bam, negative 15. And that is what you do to get your burbles and pops. If you don't change this, you might get some little pops once in a while, like a little pop, you know, but if if you do all this, then you know it'll give you more pops and stuff. So yeah, there you have it. Of course, then you go to everything's done. I disabled that. Okay, everything's done. Cool. You want to check this, check that. Okay, they're all changed. Okay, so that's it. And then you go to tuning, and you upload the tune. Okay, make sure your laptop is connected and everything. It says, notice, please make sure your laptop, are you sure you want it? Erase you see your upload base. Put yes. Okay, and then it's going to say choose a tune slot. So you want to upload a tune to, okay, yeah. What you do here is you change the tune. So, and I'm going to put it on space 5. But first, I'm going to do this as new tune. Since my pops is at negative, oops, pops negative 15. Oh, okay, no spaces then. It won't, doesn't have how much space, so I'll get rid of that. Get rid of that space, and I'll write right here 1.5. Perfect. It fits perfect. New tune pops negative 15, because I do have some set at negative 10. So there you have it, and I'm going to put that in slot 5. Boom. Now it's preparing to download. You see it right here too. It's preparing to download. Okay. Uploading. Do not disconnect. See if it works. Should work. There it goes. So yeah, guys, I enjoy the burbles and pops, especially when you're downshifting with the paddle shifters. It's cool if you have a stick shift, you can do the same thing. Probably sounds even better. But this is what I got. This is what I could show you guys what to do. And again, you have to have a exhaust setup, so just go with the Borla PRL, and they will not disappoint. All right, you guys will have fun. You guys will be driving your car, and you won't never get bored of it. You just want to go out there and drive. As a matter of fact, I'm going to go put this in my car right now, and I'm just going to drive around, but I do got to pick up somebody, so I'm going to cut this video short. All right, stay tuned. I got more videos for you guys. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe to my channel. I'm going to get some more stuff coming up, and I'm going to just try to race my car. So, I'm going to drop in a new turbo later and an inlet. So, let's do this. Peace. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.